Alright, good morning. Out here at the old mud hole. It's probably about 6:30. I slept in a little bit on a Tuesday. We're out here trying to test the theory. Does it really matter if you go right after they stock or if you go midweek? Midweek's much nicer. There's a lot less people, still plenty of fish. So let's see how we do. Yeah, there you go. Super windy, so I apologize for the wind noise, but got to put out a little bait weight rig. Got a 1/4 ounce egg sinker down to a Carolina keeper. And this time I'm putting on a something called a little corky. It's an underwater float. It's got some chartreuse and orange and yellow on it. Down to a number 12 mosquito hook. And I got a Gold State Fishing Sunday D mice tail on there for bait. So throw that out there about 10 or 15 feet, let it sit, see how it goes. Yeah. Yeah, he's fired up. Alright guys, show you the rig I was using to cut that last one. It's a double drop shot. Probably got about 20 inches between both the hooks. Got number 8 mosquito hooks on there, and I'm using the Golden State ball heads on here. Top one's rainbow trout, and the bottom one is a caramel apple, and that's what I caught the last one on. And I got it down to it's probably about a 3/32 ounce weight. And I'll show you how I work these. Real simple technique. Just cast it all the way out. And as you can see, I'm not going that far. Just let it drop all the way to the bottom. And how you can tell it's on the bottom, your line will go real limp. Give it a few pops, see if the line straightens out. Alright, looks like we're on the bottom. And all I'm doing is reeling back real slow and just giving it little pops, almost like a mini jig. Just little bounces. And once in a while I'll stop and then just keep going. Yeah. And just keep cranking real slow. Show you how slow I'm cranking. Just like that. And just giving it little bounces. all the way through, and just wait till you feel something. and sometimes you'll feel a good bite. Most of the time you'll just kind of get lightly heavy, like it's in weeds. Sometimes it is weeds, but this time of year there's not a lot of weeds in the water, and it's usually good to give it a little light hook set, because sometimes if that thing's too close, you're going to pull your rig right up into your face. So we don't want to do that. Just give it some light pops and just go real slow, and you should feel something. Nothing on that pass. Let's keep doing that and see if we can get some oak. Yep. Yeah. Nicer quality size fish this time. I might need a net, bro. Yeah. Yeah, nice fish. Heck yeah. Trying to keep his head up. Nice fish.
Pressure on.
There we go. We're looking 3 or 4 pounder. Let's get some oak. Chunky bro. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but wind's getting pretty rough right now, but the fish are still biting. We're facing the wind, which isn't ideal, but they seem to be, fish seem to be stacked up just about 10 feet out. So I'm using a drop shot and just keep casting out there. It's about noon, so I imagine the bite's going to drop off here in a little bit. Hopefully the wind dies down a little bit, but just because it's windy doesn't mean the fish won't bite. It just makes it a little bit more difficult to fish. So I'm going to keep at it, see if I can coax some more in, see how I do. There we go. Let's see which one he took. Man, he's got a lot of head shake. This might be a decent one. Not bad. I just don't want to quit. I wonder if he's foul hooked, that's why I'm having such a hard time with him. No, it looks like he's hooked. Yeah, he took the yellow and white. Real nice fish. Oh yeah, about as big as the other one. Another good looking fish. Oh yeah? Right on. I'm gonna go back to throwing some spoons. It's so windy. Which RHA? Oh, I know which one you're talking about. I forget the name of that one. Now I'm gonna have to look that up. Yeah, nice size. Here, let me get the net. Here, let me try and get a picture of it.
Alright.
Here. Got it. On the RHA. Oh, he spit it. That's right. Got a big one? Yeah. All right. Hang on, bro. Let me get the net. Yep. Where's he at? Is he down the bank? Yeah, that's what the big ones always do. Keep that rod tip up. Oh, there he is. Oh! Yeah. That's a thick one. Probably good 4 or 5. Yeah, I have no idea where that fish is. Oh, okay. Alright, I see him. Or he was. Oh, he came off? Are you off? Ah. Oh yeah. Come here, little fella. Let's ride the surf in. All right, guys, there you have it. Another great day at the mud hole. Very special one this time. I do it a lot. I decided to actually do a video on it, but going to the mud hole midweek. There are a ton of fish in those lakes. They don't get fished out over the weekend. You don't have to go Friday, Saturday, or Sunday to get a good chance at a fish. There are still a ton of trout in there. You just gotta work for them. And the best thing is there's nobody there. I honestly think when I got there, I overslept, and I think I got there about 7:30, and there was probably 20 cars in the whole lake. So basically what we did, me and Mike moved around. You know, we try a spot for a little bit, didn't get anything, we'd move to another spot. And we probably went, God, probably 8 or 10 different spots before we finally really started getting into them. And if you notice too, the weather was terrible. We had wind blowing right at us. We tried some spots where the wind was at our back, but there weren't any fish there. But the wind, wouldn't you know, are in the spot where the wind's right in our face. But we went to the double drop shot, put a little bit more weight on to get it out, and got some fish that way. And then they got real hot on the RHA spoons, and again on blue colored RHA spoons. Very strange, but didn't really translate on the video there. But it was wide open for a little while there. Every cast or every other cast, we were at least getting bit on those spoons. Both me and Mike. We lost a few, a few nice ones. But we got some to the beach. But yeah, it just goes to show you, have all kinds of different things in your tackle box, or your toolbox as I like to call it. Because you never know what they're going to be biting on. Like I was throwing drop shot, and you guys know I do real well on the drop shot, and it's probably my favorite way to fish. But they turned off of that, and then we found out spoons. Mike got one on a spoon, so I threw one on, and then boom, right away, first cast. They wanted the spoons for a while, but then they got off of that and went back to the drop shot. Bait and weight, I had a bait and weight running the whole time, and nothing. Not a bite. And guy next to us, when we started off in the morning, got a 6-pounder on power bait, and then he left about noon, and he didn't get another bite after that. They just weren't really hot on the bait, at least in the spot we were at with that guy and the spots I hit. But I could get them on the drop shot and the spoons. So, and I think Mike got one on Made Baits mini jig too. So you just got to move around, just got to look for the fish. And see if you can find them. But make sure you check out RHA Tackle, Luke's website, if you want to get some of those spoons. I got the website right here, and as always, check out Golden State Fishing. I'll have the website here as well, and type in promo code CSpanker at checkout, and you get 10% off. So until next time, always remember to like and subscribe. Leave me lots of questions or comments. I love answering them. Also, hit me up on Instagram if you really want to talk to me. It's easier on if you direct message me on Instagram than on YouTube, and I'll answer your questions. I had a guy actually was at the mud hole and happened to catch me when I was looking at my phone and asked me for some tips. I gave it to him, and he said he caught a bunch of fish and thanked me for the tips. So if I can help while you're at the lake, I certainly will. So don't be shy and send me a message. So until next time, tight lines.